So, good morning, ma'am, or good day, ma'am. By the way, I'm Christian Ralph Balsamo. So, this is my return discussion for forensic ballistics. First is firearm is an instrument used for the propulsion of projectile by means of the expansive force gases coming from burning gunpowder. So, ang firearm kuno is isa kini siya ka instrument na mag ah, mag expansive ng force gikan sa burning gunpowder. So sa legal definition of the RE 10591, firearm refers to any handed or portable weapon, whether a small arm or light weapon, that expels or designed to expel a bullet, shot, slug, missiles, or any projectiles which is discharged by means of expansive force gases from burning powder or other combustion or any similar instrument or implement. So sa legal definition ko is mga firearms is any handed weapon, whether dako siya na firearm or light weapon or dako na mag-expel siya ng bullet mag-expel siya ng bullet, mag-shot, mag-slug ng any projectiles. So the barrel frame receiver is considered a firearm. So ang barrel kuno is ang barrel or frame receiver is considered siya na firearm. So even barrel daan nimo gipossess, considered gyapon siya na firearm. So ay ita sa major components of firearm. First is frame. Frame is metal polymer housing of the handgun which holds all its other parts. It's summed up as the body of the gun, and is made up of the grip and trigger guard. So ang frame amo ni siya ang housing ng pistol. So kung sa motor pa, amo ni siya ang chassis. Sa housing tanan gikabit ang mga parts ng pusil. Second is grip. The grip is the part of the pistol that the shooter holds. It has two sections, the front strap and the back strap. In semi-auto handgun, it houses the magazine which is inserted through the bottom opening known as the magazine well. So ang grip amo ni siya ang hawidanan kung kibali mutira ang tao or any person mutira siya sa object, so maghawid siya sa grip ng firearm. So isa pa sa ang grip na yaon siya duha ka section, the front strap ug the back strap, ug sa ilawom sab ng grip is yaon yaoy kuan yan ha, yaoy bungag na sudlanan ng magazine, also known as the magazine wheel. Sunod is trigger guard, a protective loop that surround the trigger to prevent the trigger from being accidentally pulled. It can be circular or rectangular. So the trigger guard means yan kuan and ga prevent nan trigger na mabira siya na accidentally. Ini ang trigger. Wait lang. Ini ang trigger ini. Ay hand trigger guard. Ini ang trigger guard. Amoy siya ang ga protekta sa trigger para dili siya dali-dali mapindot or makablit accidentally para iwas disgrasya. So magazine release. So sa magazine release is amo ini siya in tuldok kani magazine release kung out of ammo rakaw at out of ammo rakaw pwede rakaw mo reload. Pag reload nimo pinduton nimo ang magazine release, so automatically mahug na ang magazine. Tapos pwede sab nimo salpakan ng loaded na magazine. Amayon siya ang magazine release. So is the barrel. Barrel is the tube that bullet pass through during ignition. The longer the barrel, the more the time propellant gases will have to exert their energy against the bullet to produce faster muzzle velocity. So ang barrel amin siya agihanan ng bullet sa pagtira ng isa ka firearm. So sa kahabaon ng bullet ay ng barrel, damo sa ang propellant mag-exert ng energy para mag-produce ng mas taas ay mas kusog na velocity ng bullet. Bore, the interior surface of the barrel. So ang bore yon siya ang interior surface ng barrel. Yon siya ang ilawom ng barrel, ang lungag ng barrel. Mayon ang bore. Ang rifling lands and groove which rotate the barrel to grant it gyroscopic stability and better accuracy. So ang rifling amin siya yon groove balitaw yon maglingin-lingin sa bore, maglingin-lingin sa bore para murotit ang bala ug maka-produce ng better accuracy ug stability. Ang muzzle sab amin siya the front part of the barrel where the bullet exit the barrel. Amin siya ang last ng barrel. Amin siya ang itawag na muzzle. Chamber, the cavity at the back end of the barrel where the cartridge insert prior to ignition. So, nga kita sa classification of firearm. Number 1 is smoothbore firearms. Firearms that have no rifling, lands, and groove inside their gun barrel. So, ang smoothbore amo siya ang waray groove or waray rifling sa ilang barrel. So, ang rifled bore firearm amo siya may groove sa barrel or sa bore. Ingani sigud sini. Ingani sigud lang. Ingani bitaw ingani siya. May groove niya sa ilawom. While an smooth lang siya, waray iya groove. So, sunod is artillery. Refer to those type of firearm that propels projectiles with more than 1 inch diameter. So, ang artillery kuno is siya ang mga firearms na ang projectiles nila is more than 1 inch diameter. Example, siya mga cannons, mga bazooka, mortars, cannon, og yung mga bazooka. So, according to the caliber of the projectile propelled, small arms are firearms that propels projectiles with less than 1 inch diameter, and it can handled, move, and operated by one man. So, ang small arms kuno may siya ang mga pwede ma-operate nan isa ra ka tao. Example, mga machine gun, shoulder arms, handgun, pistol. Example sa ng handgun is pistol. Example ng shoulder arms, yun siya mga rifle like AK-47, machine gun ni siya mga medyo dagko na mga kuan medyo bugatay na firearms. Machine gun is a type of firearm that primarily designed for military use. A type of weapon which fires or designed to fire automatically or semi-automatically more than one shot without annual reloading by single press of the trigger. So, ang machine gun is gidesign ini siya para sa military use. Ug ang machine gun sab is design siya, pwede siya automatic ug naapoy semi-automatic. Ug ini sab siya na arms na mag-release siya ng bullet na mintin bali dili siya kadayo mag-reload. So, tigdugay sila mag-reload kay tungod daghan ila bala na ka-reserve. So, dili sila mo reload dali kay tungod ini na arms is gidesign para mo shoot ng more than one shot without annual reloading by a single press of trigger. Submachine gun, so siya also known as SMG, is a light portable form of machine gun utilizing a pistol-sized ammunition, having a shoulder stock that may or may not be folded and designed to be fired with both hands. So, ang SMG is ammunisyaan mas gaan-gaan sa machine gun. Pwede na siya ang iya size of ammunition is parehas da sa pistol. So, siya ang gamay. Ammunisyaan, example bali SMG. Gamay na siya na firearm. Shoulder arm, those type of firearm that were normally fired from shoulder. So, yon example yon firearm is yan mga inyani na pusil, mga M4E1 ba ini? I don't know. It's like that amo yon bali yon an ila ani bitaw gibutang nimo sa shoulder. Amo yon gitawag siya na shoulder arms.